Neona Boutique claims to offer stylish women's dresses, tops, and jumpsuits at discounted prices, but is it a trustworthy fashion store or just another online shop with issues? After looking into the store, several red flags raise concerns. Customers have reported poor product quality, with items looking different from the pictures on the website and some orders arriving damaged or with incorrect sizing. Shipping and delivery delays are another major complaint, with some buyers waiting weeks or even months to receive their orders, while others never got their items at all. The lack of proper contact information is also concerning, as customer support appears to be limited or unresponsive, making it difficult to get refunds or returns processed. Additionally, there are signs that Neona Boutique may be a drop-shipping business, meaning the products come from third-party suppliers, often with little quality control. While some customers might have had a good experience, these issues make it essential to be cautious before purchasing. Always check reviews, compare prices, and remember that if a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is.